Stan Gibilisco here with a little radar watch centered on Jackson, Mississippi. The date is June 9th, 2014. The time is, well, let's check it and see, 5:23 p.m. Mountain Daylight, that would be 7:24 p.m. now, Eastern Daylight Time, which maybe Mississippi is in the central zone. You know, I don't actually know. But anyway, it's late afternoon. There's Jackson, Mississippi. The radar is actually located a little bit to the east of Jackson, Mississippi, right in the center of what would be this ellipse here. This is the reflectivity loop, the composite reflectivity loop, and we're seeing several severe thunderstorm warning boxes. We can actually see the shift position as this line of storms moves east from Jackson, Mississippi. So it doesn't look like there are any tornado warnings associated with this. However, we can take a look at the Doppler radar. There's where the center is, right there where that little white dot is, and you can kind of tell because it's where the red and the green tend to converge in this Doppler image. Remember, green means precipitation particles moving generally toward the radar. Red means precipitation particles moving generally away from the radar. So if the radar is right there in the center, this is pretty much of a north to south precipitation particle flow, yet the general movement of the storms is from southwest to northeast. That's also evident in the reflectivity loop, so there's considerable wind shear taking place here, and that's one of the ingredients that goes into the recipe for severe weather. I don't see any places where the red and the green come together significantly and noticeably, except possibly right up here in the I can't read that name. Winona, Mississippi, is that it? Anyway, it's somewhat northeast of Jackson, right up here where my little hand with the index finger is pointing. There are a couple of zones there where we might see some red and green coming together, and also some just a little further east of the radar. But it doesn't look like there's anything really major indicating the possibility of supercell development here, but it does look like there are heavy thunder showers moving east and northeast from Jackson, Mississippi. Possibly some fairly high winds and heavy rains associated with those. That would be my guess. So if you live down in that area, Stan Gibilisco passed your way on his trek back out into intergalactic space, where arguably he belongs. Until next time, so long.